Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Scorpios. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, guys. Scorpios. For your career and relationship, we'll be picking. So first for your relationship, guys, and these cards are for your career situation, Scorpios, and one card from the Crystal Spirits Oracle. So that will be a general guidance, what you can do every day, guys, what you can follow every day. So let's start with the general reading first. So, Scorpios, let's see what are these cards. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Wands, and Eight of Cups. So, in your situation, guys, maybe there are certain things that you had hope or faith on, maybe, but those things are not turning out as it should. So it may be your relationship, or it may be in your career, some projects or opportunities on which you were simply having that faith to manifest for you, but those things are not happening today, guys. So maybe some opportunities have got suspended or delayed, and it may be something in your relationship also. So your attention is on something else. So you are having some kind of instinct to proceed in a particular way, a different path for yourself. For some of you, it may be a spiritual path. You are turning to some belief or some different ideology for yourself, or you are having that vision about yourself, some dreams about yourself, and you want to live those dreams. So your attention is on something else. So it may be your energy or this person's energy you are in love with. So they are not interested in love, or they are not interested in you, maybe. And maybe you have achieved certain things till now, and you're waiting for the right time. For some of you, I see that you're waiting for the right opportunities in your situation, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship. So we have King of Pentacles in reverse, Judgment in reverse, and Queen of Swords in reverse. So in your relationship with this person, maybe, guys, you don't have that total trust on this person. Something is troubling you, maybe the way they talk, their words, or their behavior, or they have some habits. It may be some bad habits. So you don't have that complete trust with them. You don't feel safe with them, maybe, guys. So again, their weakness, these habits, or they are suffering from some illness, that may be the reason for some troubles in this love, and you are having some confusions in this connection, guys. What they are telling you is not the truth, and you know this may be your energy or their energy, guys. So in this love, maybe for some of you, you are unable to be truthful to them because your focus is on someone else, or it is on something else. So we were talking about some ideologies, or you're finding comfort in something, maybe, guys, some belief or some rituals you're following, or some habits. So you're focused on that, not on this love. So this may be your energy or their energy. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios, for your relationship. So let's see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. So we have Knight of Wands, Page of Swords, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So you are a person who has that determination, dedication in your career. So whatever needs to be done, you do it with that total concentration. And you are passionate about whatever you need to do in your life today, guys. So you have that true motives, goals for yourself, and you're proceeding in the right way. And you have certain ideas or rules for yourself, and you follow it diligently, guys. And you are a person who has firm beliefs. So whatever you believe in, you are standing up for that views, for those ideologies, guys, in your career. So some rules or some rules of work you have for yourself, and you are proceeding in that way, in that set path for your career situation, guys. And maybe that may be the reason that people are quite jealous of you, because they see you as a very successful person who has um, a particular way of dealing your situation, and you know what you need to do rightly. And maybe in your career there are people envious of you, jealous of you. And maybe for some of you, you think you are the only one who will do things right. So that may give room for some mistakes. So you are not ready to listen to people. So you do only what you feel right. So you have that stubbornness. That may be the reason for some troubles in your career situation, Scorpios. So let's see what is this card, guys. The oracle guidance for y'all. It is obsidian. So with this crystal spirit, this stands for this crystal stands for knowing yourself. So when we know our strengths and weakness, we will be we will be able to work in a positive way in our situation, guys. So it will help us to transform ourselves in a better way in our career or in our personal life. So to make things go in a positive way, first we should understand ourselves, what we are, what are our experiences, what we have learned from the past, from this present, and what are our hope and our faith for our future. So when we do that, we will know what is the right thing to do today, guys, Scorpios. And that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.